Hello ladies, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 reasons why you have nothing to wear. Now, I wanted to thank each and every one of you that participated in the community tab, because when I post these things in my community tab, it gives me an idea of what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. So in today's video, not only am I going to be giving you 7 reasons why you have nothing to wear, but I'm also going to be sharing one bonus tip. So be sure to watch the video to the very end. If you are landing on my channel for the first time, my name is Teresa, and this channel is all about leveling up and becoming more elegant and graceful. And if that is something you're interested in, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, as that tells me what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Before I dive into my 7 reasons why you have nothing to wear, I wanted to share with you my outfit of the day. Now, what I'm wearing today is a 100% silk blouse, and I'm pairing it with some cream trousers. I love the seamless look of the cream silk top with these cream colored trousers. And I've also thrown on my pearl and gold bracelet by Missima, some pearl earrings, and then just a gold necklace by Monica Venator. And I think this outfit just looks so classy and elegant. And now let's get into my 7 reasons why you have nothing to wear. So the first reason why you may not have anything to wear is clutter. The first thing you want to do is declutter your space. So decluttering your space is not only going to allow you to see exactly what you have, but it's also going to allow you to be able to get dressed a lot easier. Now, one of my tips on beginning to declutter your space is to make piles of things that you are going to keep, piles of things that you want to donate, and also a pile of some items that you may want to sell either on Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark or whatever website you intend to use. But when you start decluttering your space, make piles of things that you want to keep, donate, and sell. And this is going to make it a lot easier for you to tackle decluttering your space. Once you declutter your space, you are going to be able to get dressed so easily. You're going to see all the pieces that you have and the pieces that you love in your closet. Because once you see the space that you're going to have after you declutter, you are going to be able to see the clothing pieces in your closet that you need to put together your outfits. So becoming decluttered is the first recommendation that I would have with regard to a reason why you have nothing to wear. Because again, ladies, if a space is cluttered, then you cannot see what you have. Now, my closet system was done by a designer, but if you are unable to do that, some of the things that you can do is you can buy clear plastic containers and you can store things in those. You can label them and you can fold things neatly in these clear containers that can help you stay organized. For example, in the summertime, you would want to store those things that you are not going to need in the summertime in these clear plastic containers. The next tip I have why you may not have anything to wear is, are you planning your outfits in advance? I really love to plan my outfits in advance, and now that my wardrobe is organized, neat, and clutter-free, I can see exactly what I have, and I enjoy going into my wardrobe, trying on outfits, and just seeing what I may want to wear for the occasion that I am attending, either for the week or for the next day. Outfit planning can help you reduce the stress in getting up the next morning and having nothing to wear. So try to make a little time to plan your outfits in advance. I've even seen women who plan their outfits for the entire week. Now, I am not that person, but I do love planning my outfits for the very next day. If you know exactly what type of event you're going to attend, then planning your outfits a day ahead can help you reduce all the stress of going into your closet and not having anything to wear. So I believe that if you know exactly what type of event you are attending the next day, or whether it's going to work, or you're meeting up with a friend for a brunch, or you're going to dinner, just maybe planning your outfit ahead of time can help you be prepared and ready to get dressed. Now, the third reason you may have nothing to wear is holding on to items that you can no longer fit, that are frayed, or items that you may not love anymore. So one of the things that I like to do every year is to donate items that no longer serve me. Maybe I have just grown out of them for that season, or maybe it's just I've changed certain things that I wear from year to year. And sometimes, ladies, our bodies change from year to year. Never hold on to items that no longer serve you in your wardrobe. Now, the fourth reason that you may not have anything to wear in your closet is you are buying occasional pieces. Occasional pieces are a one-time piece that you may wear either to a wedding, a baby shower, or a special event. Buying occasional pieces will not only just add items in your closet that you are not going to wear very often, but it's going to make your closet look a lot more cluttered. If you are attending a wedding or a baby shower, most of us have a dress or two that we can wear to that event. Now, as for me, I buy more high quality items, so I have less in my closet because I want to get my costs per wear out of those high quality items. So you don't need a lot of items. You just really need to know how to put them together. Now, the fifth reason you may have nothing to wear in your closet is that you don't have your staples. Your staple pieces are going to be a white button-down shirt, a satin blouse. Every woman needs a satin or silk shirt, a pair of black trousers, a pair of white trousers, and some sort of blazer. Whether it is a black blazer or a white blazer, and if you love color, maybe having a colorful blazer in your closet. So your staple pieces can be paired with many other things in your wardrobe. And those of you who have seen my video on 5 ways to wear one pair of white jeans, a pair of white jeans is a staple piece that you need in your wardrobe. And then you can pair them with different tops. Since white is a very neutral color, you can pair it with black, you can pair it with brown, we can pair it with blue, or if you want to go more colorful, yellow, orange, green. So having a basic white pair of jeans is going to help you to be able to curate more outfits. And another tip, ladies, is to buy more classic pieces like the silk blouse I mentioned, a wool skirt, maybe some linen. So adding these classic materials into your wardrobe is going to help you be able to curate a more elegant and classic style. Now, the sixth reason that you may not have anything to wear in your wardrobe is, do you know your color palette? Knowing the colors that you love and that you gravitate to more often is a huge component of having something to wear in your closet. So as for me, I love neutrals. My neutrals serve me very well. I love very light colors like creams, tans, browns, black, and also pastel colors. So know your color palette, ladies. Now, if you love a lot of color like orange and greens and pinks and yellows, know your color palette, because these are the items that you should add to your wardrobe. There is nothing worse than walking into your wardrobe and looking at all the colors that you do not love. So know your color palette and stick to it. Now, the seventh reason why you may not have anything to wear is that you have not experimented with trying the same pieces in different ways. Again, ladies, I refer you back to my video on styling one pair of white jeans 5 different ways. This is a huge tip. You can take one pair of slacks, try them different ways with different tops, add a scarf, add a hat, add some jewelry. You can take the same pieces, ladies, and just try them in different ways. And this can give you a more curated look. It can also make the piece look a lot different. Say, for example, you have a white button-down shirt, and maybe you take that shirt with a skirt and you put a belt around it. Maybe you take it with some trousers and you tuck it in. Maybe you even add a scarf to that outfit. So taking your pieces and trying them in different ways can not only help you get your cost per wear, but it's going to make you feel like you're wearing something new each and every time. Now, the last tip is my bonus tip as to why you may not have anything to wear in your wardrobe is ironing. It is so important, ladies, to set time out to iron your things. What I have trained myself to do is after I launder an item, I go ahead and iron it, and then I hang it back up in my wardrobe. Because if I let my ironing get out of hand, I am less likely to want to go in and iron 5 or 10 pair of pants or 5 shirts. So I try to take care of the ironing right after my items have been laundered. So having everything neatly ironed in your wardrobe is going to allow you to walk in and look at all the beautiful pieces that you have. So that's going to also make you love the pieces that you have. When you walk into your wardrobe and you see a lot of pieces that are crinkled and crumbled up, they're not going to be exciting for you to put on. So keeping up with your ironing and then putting that item back into your wardrobe is going to allow you to be able to get dressed a lot sooner. So I hope you've enjoyed my 7 tips why you may have nothing to wear. And if you are landing on my channel for the first time and you enjoy leveling up and becoming more elegant and graceful, please consider subscribing to the channel. And before you leave, if you took value out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button, as that tells me what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. Thanks for watching, ladies, and I'll see you in the next one.